This is an easy sum. Textual sum, textbook page number 201 पे 15 sum है ये. It is given to us that quadrilateral TAMS is a square. Quadrilateral TAMS is a square. It is given to us. At the same time, this AW is congruent to AN. That is also given. So we have to prove that segment SW is congruent to segment SN. SW and SN बहुत ही easy sum है, ध्यान दीजिए, बहुत आसानी से आ जाता है. Here, सबसे पहले initially we have to prove these two triangles, triangle ATW and triangle AMN to be congruent. ये दोनों triangles को congruent prove करना है. Congruent prove हो गया, उसके बाद में क्या करना है हम देखते हैं. Let us start. In triangle ATW and triangle AMN, first side AT, refer the diagram, AT will be equal to AM because these are the sides of a square. ये square है और square के ये side है AT and AM, तो दोनों equal होंगे. So we can write side AT is congruent to side AM, which is given. Oh, I am very sorry. Given नहीं लिखेंगे हम लोग, लिखेंगे sides of square. Then this being a square, refer the diagram, हम लोग कह सकते हैं angle T is congruent to angle M because each is 90 degree. हर एक का measure 90 degree होगा. So angle T is congruent to angle M. Reason each is 90 degree. Now third thing is given. Third आपको दिया हुआ है that AW is equals to AN. AW और AN equal है तो वो हम लिख सकते हैं. So AW is congruent to AN. Reason given. So triangle ATW is congruent to triangle AMN by hypotenuse side theorem. नाउ दोनों ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया ही इसीलिए है कि नाउ वी कैन से दैट टी डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू एम एन. दिस सेगमेंट टी डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू सेगमेंट एम एन. सेगमेंट टी डब्ल्यू is congruent to segment MN. Reason will be CSCT. Now again referring the diagram, TS is equals to MS हम लिख सकते हैं because these are sides of square. TS is congruent to MS. Reason sides of square. अभी देखो, once again refer the diagram. TS can be written as TW plus WS. TS can be written as TW plus WS and MS can be written as MN plus NS. So TS के जगह पे हम लिख देंगे TW plus WS is equals to MS के जगह पे लिखेंगे MN plus NS. Reason T dash W dash S and M dash N dash S. Refer the diagram. TS के जगह TW plus WS and MS के जगह MN plus NS. But we have already proved in step number 5 that TW is equals to MN. TW और MN दोनों equal है. दोनों equal है तो हम cancel कर सकते हैं. So that is, we can write WS is equals to NS, or we can write this as segment SW to be congruent to segment SN. Thank you very much.